So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUD USD. So first thing first, those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates we will be dropping for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting on our AUD USD. So let's start with our trend. You all know the first thing before we take a trade, we need to know what the trend is. And when you zoom it out, you can see that our overall trend on AUD USD an uptrend. You can see that we are clearly to the upside. It is a bullish move. Market is trending upward. Now, if you take a look at what market did, the market was able to drop to tap this support level, right? Tap this support level. Then eventually market bounced up, right? Market eventually came back again to tap this support level. Then it pushed up, right? Now market eventually dropped again to test the support level, right? So we should be expecting a rejection, a bounce from this level that push up. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on our AUD USD. So AUD USD should be giving us a bullish move from this level. So this is a rejection, multiple rejection zone. You can see this as your first breakout if you want, or you can just see it as your support level right here. So a bullish move is what we'll be expecting. Let's see it come to target level of 0.70779. So that should be about 60 pips movement. Okay. So this is what we'll be expecting for the day. A bullish move for the day is what we'll be expecting. Now, guys, also have it in mind that your bias should be very flexible, as there's a possibility that markets will change. If market changes, right, it does not give us the movement it predicts it to give us. I'll make sure I give you guys the updates, and I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on that updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the description. You can also subscribe to the membership program also.